Service and Repairs Business, Adelaide. This successful family-run business fills a unique niche market in the service and repairs sector for the retail industry. Established 11 years ago as a self-startup, this independent business has no brand bias and supports all resellers. The business offers warranty and out-of-warranty, service and repairs on electric and cordless tools, and has an excellent reputation. A trusted name for services and repairs, and an authorised and approved warranty agent for well-known brands. The business is located in new, modern premises with plenty of space, on-site parking and security. Fully fenced and landscaped, the location also has automatic gates, state-of-the-art lighting and a high-clearance warehouse. There is potential to introduce new products for retail purchase and expand the authorised warranty agency for other brands. This business would be ideal for a mechanically minded buyer that has some knowledge in electrical and hands-on experience in the service and repairs sector. It would also be an amazing addition to an existing business to expand and do test and tagging plus power tool repairs. As an approved account holder, you could benefit from being able to purchase new tools at a discounted price.